What are common defenses to a premises liability lawsuit? In personal injury law, premises liability lawsuits are making headlines as more people seek justice for injuries sustained on someone else's property. Just this week, we have seen an uptick in inquiries about what defenses property owners might use in these cases. If you or someone you know is dealing with a premises liability issue, understanding these defenses can be vital. Let's break down the common defenses that property owners often relying on. One common defense is the claim of lack of duty or no breach of duty. Property owners might argue they did not owe a duty of care to the injured party or that they maintained reasonable safety measures. This can be a strong argument if the circumstances of the case support it. Another defense is the assertion of the plaintiff's negligence or comparative fault. Property owners may claim that the injured person was partially or fully responsible for their injury. This could be due to ignoring warnings or acting recklessly. The open and obvious danger defense is also frequently used. If the hazard that caused the injury was clearly visible, the property owner might argue that the injured party should have recognized and avoided it. Trespassing can be a significant factor as well. If the injured individual was on the property without permission, the property owner may argue that they owed limited or no duty to the trespasser. Assumption of risk is another defense. Property owners may claim that the injured party knowingly and voluntarily accepted the risks associated with the dangerous condition. Lack of causation is a defense that focuses on whether the injury was caused by the property condition or if other unrelated factors were involved. This can be a crucial point in defending against liability claims. Compliance with safety standards can also serve as a strong defense. If a property owner can show they adhered to applicable laws and industry standards, this may help their case significantly. Lastly, the statute of limitations can come into play. If the injured party files their lawsuit after the legal time limit has expired, this can be a valid defense against the claim. In rare situations, public necessity may be invoked as a defense. This would apply if the property owner's actions were justified to prevent a greater harm to the public. These defenses can vary based on jurisdiction and the specific details of each case. However, they are commonly seen in premises liability lawsuits and can significantly impact the outcome. Understanding these defenses is essential for anyone involved in or considering a premises liability lawsuit.